Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to set up an eBay auction. Whether you are an experienced merchant or just starting out, this walkthrough ensures you handle the listing process with total assurance. Begin by signing into your eBay profile, which serves as the central hub for your sales. After logging in, navigate to the My eBay menu and select Selling. This area is customized for your business needs and contains all the essential tools you will require. Look at the top of your screen for the Listings tab. Select it, then choose the Create Listing option to start building your auction. Type the name of your product into the search field. For example, if you are selling a vintage camera, input that specific phrase. eBay's system will recommend a category to save time, though you can manually pick a different one if the suggestion isn't perfect. Now, provide your listing specifics. This step is vital because it gives buyers the data they need. Craft a compelling title that accurately represents your item to improve search visibility. High-quality photography is also fundamental, so upload several pictures from various perspectives to attract more interest. Next, input the item specifics like its brand, size, and current condition. Being clear and thorough helps prevent future disputes. In the description area, write a detailed story about the product, emphasizing its unique traits and best qualities to help it sell. Head to the pricing area and choose Auction as your selling format. This is where you establish your opening bid. You may also include a Buy It Now price if you want to allow for immediate purchases. Pick your auction length from options like 3, 5, 7, or 10 days. While shorter listings sell faster, longer ones often generate more traffic and higher final prices. Finally, check all your details for accuracy. Once everything looks perfect, hit List It to make your auction live. Good luck with your sales, and may you attract many bidders.